Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. Today my question is very interesting and easy. Now my question is x is equal to x over 9, then find x. Now the solution is x is equal to x over 9. So I find x, then multiply by 9 on both sides. Multiply by 9 on both sides. 9 multiplied by x is equal to x over 9 multiplied by 9. 9 cancel. This is 9x is equal to x. Now x 9x plus x minus x is equal to 0. So 9x minus x 8x is equal to 0. Now we find x, so divide 8 on both sides, cancel. X is equal to 0 over 8, 0. Then x is equal to 0. This is the question of this answer.